Hello everybody, hope you had an amazing holiday season hanging out with family, friends, or whatever you did, and are geared up for an incredible 2022.
A lot has been going on behind the scenes for Eamon and I, and we'll be sharing all of that with you very, very soon. But this, we could not wait to share. We wanted to kick off the new year with a brand new cookbook. Everybody, meet Everyday Eats.
This book is in collaboration with my brother Fraser, who's a plant-based chef, and we were able to dial in even more incredibly simple and delicious recipes.
Just like our first cookbook, Everyday Eats is a digital cookbook. So as soon as you order it, you can download it straight to your phone, and it will be conveniently available right in your pocket. Anytime you need a recipe. It includes all your favorite recipes you've seen us cook in the vlogs over the years, like our potato hash,
our lentil stew,
that creamy
nacho
mushroom
cheese,
lentil dish,
cheese.
Our fresh spring roll recipe that includes the peanut sauce, so delicious, and the oats we have every single morning.
With the new year, people tend to get overly ambitious with their goals, and maybe it's as simple as just incorporating a few more plants into your diet, and this is going to be an amazing resource to have in your toolbox.
So you can head to eamonandbeck.com where this book is now live. We want to thank you in advance for your support and your love, and every day this week over on our Instagram at Eamon and Beck, we will be sharing recipes we're making from the book.
We'll actually put together a schedule, so if you want to make something with us and share in real time,
cool.
that could be cool.
That'd be awesome.
Also,
okay.
Makes a great gift. You can just buy it and send it to your aunt who lives out in Barbados or Saskatchewan or wherever.
Oh, speaking of the Bahamas, we'll catch you next week from the Bahamas with some new videos, with some new friends.
Lenny!
Sailing on Vagabond!
And Darwin.
Okay, bye
and
for
Elena,
now.
and Riley. Bye.
Should I eat one more?
Yeah.
You know what? I'm going to watch it. I'm going to take the whole bag. He's going to talk to me like that. I'm leaving. I'm running away from home. Bye. Bye.